Just a quick video here showing our external sensors and replacing the batteries on them. Should get up to 2 years out of the batteries, and they're just coin batteries. So grab your spanner, spin this off. On here you can see what's inside. You can see there's like an O-ring there, so just make sure that O-ring's still okay, because that's obviously how it's like waterproof. And you can see the batteries in the top here. Now the battery can only come out like one way, obviously it can't come out this way, so to come out down. So if you grab your little spanner, you can push it in the back, and you can push the battery all the way out. Now you can see it's a Panasonic battery. Panasonics are the best, or Maxwell. They're the two main good battery brands. You can see it's a CR1632. Now that's the type used to sort of replace it. We will have these on our website because they can change, like just because it's a CR1632, there's a lot of different sort of models in there, and the other battery profile is different on them all. So all you do is slide your new battery in, done, make sure it's pushed in, screw this back on like so, base, you almost do it by hand, and then just a little tighten at the end. That's all sealed up and the battery is now replaced in your external sensor.